it's time to catch up on the top 12 amazing car inventions that are about to come on our screen. Watch this video till the end and let us know about your favorite car invention in the comments section. Stealth license plate flipper hider. As we have seen this in many movies that a person or a thief, whenever they cross a camera or traffic signal, they flip their license plate number in order to not get caught by the police or any other officials. In a similar way, we have this stealth license plate hider, which will allow you to hide your license plate number with the push of a button. It works on a simple functioning mechanism. As soon as you press a panel key, the plate flipper turns 180 degrees, providing a change on one number to another. Trap mats. Whenever we go on a journey in our cars, we often see that our cars somehow get dirty because of the things that we used to do in the car, eating or spilling some water or due to some dust. But with the help of this trap mat, you are no longer going to face this problem, because if something fell down, the mat will trap it inside and won't make your car dirty, and you can easily take out that mat and release the dust particles in the dustbin. Not only the particles, but this mat can also absorb water or any other liquid. Now you don't have to waste so much time on cleaning your car from inside, all thanks to the trap mat. Auto Live Torricelli brake. Many car accidents are caused by late braking with insufficient force. A driver may brake too late for several reasons. He or she is distracted or inattentive, visibility might be poor. Therefore, AutoLive Torricelli brake concept was developed for significantly stopping distance for autonomous emergency braking. It is a totally new kind of vacuum braking system that can decrease braking distance with 40% in speed, up to 70 km per hour. This in turn means that Torricelli brake will mainly be applicable in urban environments, where for instance, inattentive children and cyclists can be avoided. Lenmodo automatic car umbrella. When the rainy season comes, we start to keep umbrellas with us. But have you ever thought about protecting your car with an umbrella? Now you might be thinking that umbrellas aren't that big. So how about we tell you about this automatic car umbrella that is portable and easy to set up. It takes only 30 seconds to set up the umbrella on the car and 8 seconds to open it just with a push of a button. This automatic umbrella can prevent your car from various things, be it hot temperature, snowfall, or dust or fallen leaves, birds, dirt, and of course, rain from absolutely anything. It is completely waterproof so that your car won't get wet if it's raining, and once it is open, you can fix its hook on car door handles. You can charge it via cable, and one charge can work up to 45 days. Red Mount Column Lift. It is a wireless heavy-duty column lift that includes auto-leveling. It features an advanced synchronization system enabling the lift to rise and lower smoothly, even if the load is uneven for each column delay. Powered by a 24-volt motor and hydraulic pump for safety, there is a height limit switch, which automatically stops the lift once the highest point is reached. Because it works from batteries and is wireless, there are no cable hazards. It also means it's completely mobile.
Number 9, Clang by Young Loop.
Vobo Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Imagine going out with your family and suddenly your car tire leaks air that destroys all your mood and will be the spoiler for the journey. But imagine knowing it already. This Vobo Tire Pressure Monitoring System, which allows you to know about your tire pressure mobile screen, latest Bluetooth that works directly with the Android and iOS smartphones or tablets. This monitoring system will alert you about your tire pressure, even if you are not in the car. So didn't you find that interesting? Lexus Digital Side Mirror. Silvered glass mirrors have been in existence for a long time, and there is a limit to their abilities when housed within a relatively small surround on the car door. So just replace the older system, the conventional door mirrors, with compact external high-resolution camera link to in-car monitors provide an enhanced view of the area behind and immediately alongside the vehicle in all driving conditions, while their smaller size reduces wind noise and improve the driver's forward diagonal view. Even after being digital and placed outside, these mirrors are waterproof. It's surprising to see technology getting this much faster. ZUS Smart Wireless Backup Camera. Nowadays, all the cars we've been seeing comes with a backup camera, so there's an ease of reversing and backward turning. But what about the old cars that don't have this feature? The ZUS Wireless Smart Backup Camera is made purposely for those old cars that didn't come with a backup camera. This camera is of a plastic material and weighs only 240 grams. The camera box comes with nuts and screws and everything that you're going to need while installing it. Also, it has a USB charging cable that you're going to need later. You can fix it near the rear back number plate, and once it is installed and fully charged, install the driving assistant app. Turn the camera on by pressing a button, then connect it to your smartphone using Bluetooth. It's so simple yet amazing. Dent Goalie Door Guard. Imagine you park your new car somewhere and coming back to dents and scratches. Didn't this just break your heart by only thinking about this? But you don't have to worry anymore. These car door guards are flexible impact-resistant panels for protection when parked, shielding the most exposed areas of your vehicle and protect your vehicle from unwanted dents and scratches. Now you can leave your car even narrow space parkings without any risk of damaging your car body. Tough Lift Sled Deck. If we tell you to slide the truck upon a truck, you might laugh at us, but you won't after you watch this. You can slide any vehicle easily upon the bed of this invention, and you can roll it easily. It'll be a hassle-free experience for you to watch this happening. It's extremely flexible due to its flip-down side deck extensions and the telescoping rear rails with cross support. Isn't this amazing? Tell us in the comment section what you feel about this gadget. Yak Pneumatic Jack. It is a pneumatically controlled jack consisting of internal telescope guide. These are fitted with safety valves in case of any excessive emergency. This has a silent, sleek design, and it is very lightweight in nature. They are ideal for tire repairers and body workshops, and they can also be used a column lift purpose. It has a net weight of about 17 kilograms and capacity of 2 tons. It has 3 number of pistons along with 285 millimeters maximum stroke value. Rivalry LLC tailgate seats. Many of us have experienced this trouble of parking the car, not able to sit outside it. But with the help of these tailgate seats, we aren't going to face this problem anymore. The seats can be attached to the car very easily with the help of 2 rods, and you can enjoy sitting outside your parked car anywhere. Either you can enjoy your meal or watch movies just like the way you want it. It also has dedicated slots to keep your things there, and it is also very compact and portable that you can easily take anywhere. Volpine Car Window Tint. Hairstyle new innovation of removable and reusable car window tint by Volpine, built from composite materials in order to achieve the ultimate balance of the next generation's window tint. It's an easy, effective, and stylish addition to any car that offers security, privacy, interior hit control, and quick installation. No matter what you are driving, the window tint comes pre-cut to fit any window size and shape. Plus, if you ever decide you would like a break, Volpine window tint can be removed just as easily as it was installed. Isn't it great protection and break all according to ourselves? Tell us what you think about this gadget in the comment section. Exploride Heads-Up Display. Turn your car into a smart car with this Exploride Heads-Up Display, a safer and smarter way to use maps, listen to music, call, text, or access media in your car. It's a portable heads-up display that provides distraction-free access to navigation, mobile notification, music, and onboard diagnostic of your car, and shows relevant but minimal information in the line of sight of the driver. It improves driving experience via advanced navigation, external mobile experience, and over-the-air updates. CarAid. This CarAid is a multifunctional tool for any car that could save your life at times. Have you heard of a charger that can charge your phone battery or your car battery both? CarAid can do that. Also, it has emergency flasher for nighttime visibility. It can also break car windows in case of any underwater emergency. It can also cut seatbelts if trapped to your car. Apart from this, it also has a burglar alarm that stops thieves in their tracks. It is also water resistant, dirt resistant, and shock resistant. Also, it comes with a compass to make sure you don't get lost anywhere. Despite having all these important features, it comes in a single, handheld design that can easily fit in a cup holder or door pocket. It's amazing that how a gadget of so many important features can be this easy to handle. Hyundai Walking Car. Guys, Hyundai has brought us a unique car concept that has robotic legs that can be extended to drive can be used for walking. This concept is designed to help emergency workers travel across harsh roads and areas in the event of a natural disaster. The robotic legs can walk freely and allowed to move in any direction. Hyundai has basically launched a rescue concept with legs and wheels. So isn't it amazing that if a car is unable to go on a harsh platform, its robotic wheels will do that work? Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket. When we ask you to calm down a fire, what suggestions do you have? Mostly two, either fire extinguisher or fire brigade. But what if there's an urgency and none of these were present on time? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This car fire blanket will calm the flames and toxic fumes within itself in seconds and extinguishes them within minutes. Through this, you can stop a big disaster from happening. A small fire can become huge within a fraction of seconds, but not when you have this amazing car blanket. Having this is like an addition to your safety kit. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.